Adding sizes on Big Cartel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, go to the product page. So, log in to your Big Cartel account. Then, go to the products page. Now click on the plus icon to create a new product or click on an existing product to edit it. Next, scroll down to the variant section. Here, click on Add Variant. After that, enter the name of the variant, such as small, medium, or large. If you want to track inventory for each size, enter the quantity available. You can also add a different price for each size if you want. Repeat steps 2 and 3 to add additional sizes. You can add up to 100 sizes per product. You can organize sizes into a variant group called size. This helps customers easily choose the desired size. Then, click on Add Variant Group and name it Size. Add each size variant to this group. Once you've added all the desired sizes, click on Save to finalize your changes.